Hey guys, so today I want to talk about carbon monoxide and its effects on the human body. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and tasteless gas. You can't see it, right? So as a result, it could potentially be pretty dangerous to any living thing. Despite how dangerous it is, it's actually pretty common in our society. You can find it in small engines like cars and trucks, stoves, furnaces, air conditioners, right? So it's pretty available. There is a toxic level of carbon monoxide. It starts at the 35 ppm, parts per million, and around there you'll start feeling symptoms of dizziness and nausea. Once you go higher up on that scale, you can potentially pass out or worse. So what happens when you breathe in or ingest a lot of carbon monoxide? Well, I got this little drawing going over here that can maybe illustrate it a bit. I drew him as a vampire because I figured that vampires are immortal, so we can feed him as much as we want and he'll be okay. So let's see, this little tiny cloud is going to represent carbon monoxide. In reality, carbon monoxide is clear, you can't see it, but for the purposes of this video, it's going to be a little tiny gray ball. Okay, so let's see, our buddy starts to ingest it, right? It goes into his throat, into his trachea, or windpipe, starts feeding into his bronchus. It's going to eventually go to the bronchioles and head near the alveoli. Once it reaches the alveoli, it's going to continue on to the capillary, and through the capillary, it's going to end up in the bloodstream. And this is where carbon monoxide starts playing a larger role, because in our bloodstream, we have something called hemoglobin. And hemoglobin's job is to take all the oxygen that we've been breathing in and deliver it to our organs, kidneys, liver, heart, right? So when carbon monoxide actually shows up to the party, it instantly bonds to it, and it becomes carboxyhemoglobin, right? So when it becomes carboxyhemoglobin, it can no longer carry the same amount of oxygen that it once carried. So instead of giving us oxygen to our organs, it starts giving us carbon monoxide. And then our little buddy over here starts to struggle. So I think the takeaway here is that the less carbon monoxide you have, the better you'll do. Excellent, thank you.